To my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how to make TikTok videos, in case anyone doesn't know how to make TikTok videos. So what you have to do first is you have to go to your app store and search TikTok. Go to TikTok, click get. So this is my profile, and y'all can follow me at Faithy, FAITHY _XO3 to check out more videos. So before you start, you could log in with Facebook, Instagram, other socials I think you use, right? But so once you log in, you click the plus sign in the middle, which is this right here, and then so this is the setup here. So you could upload something here from your camera roll. These are the effects that you could use. These are some templates. So let's click on templates to see what we have. So we have an I love you one, a my journey. I'll show you what just now. So really quickly, to do the my journey effect, you just need to upload video pictures, specifically from like when you were small to as old as you are now. My favorite song. So you could go through here to choose templates that you would like to choose. So then, okay, we came out of that, right? So now you can choose or 60 seconds. Most of the time I would do these 60 seconds because to me it gives you more room to do things. The 15 seconds kind of go by really quickly. So on top here where you see the word songs, you choose your songs. So these are all the songs that I've saved. I'll show you how to save the songs in a while. So this is the flip. You could flip the camera. This is me. You have the speed. This is my tripod here. I guess I'll just leave it here. Right. So you have the speed. You could choose the speed, how fast you want the video to be, so this is the slow ones, this is the fast one. So, and this red button is what you do to start the video. So if I flip it and I'm like, hi guys, it's Faith, welcome back to my channel. So when you film a video, this part on top here, it shows how much clips you take. So I only took a little piece, and when you're finished, you click this check button. So you could go to effects, and let's try. This is a very popular one. This is called face track. So face track is this one. And also a very popular one is this one here, which is a green screen, which is you can upload any picture from your camera roll. So I made shepherd's pie today for Mother's Day. Shout out to all the mothers that are watching this video. Happy Mother's Day to you, even though this video might not go up today, but still, every day should be Mother's Day. So yes, so I don't want to use side effects anymore. Right, so this one is a face track. So you basically zooms. Whoa. Face track, you have, this is a clone. Throw your hands in the air. A crying one. Let me take off my glasses so you can see. Yes. Oops. Just put back on my eyes. So you'll realize how fast it is because I put the speed on like 3 times. Okay, so it plays continuously unless you lower down the volume, and it kind of annoys me at times. So this is the filters. You could choose a filter to put. You could actually, I just found out that you could slide to put the filters. But other than that, you would go here and you would put whatever filter that you want to put. This one looks nice. Here you could adjust. So adjusting the clip basically means that you should adjust take out parts of the video effects, because if you adjust the clips that you don't want, like when you're pressing the camera, you don't really want that, so you can like crop that part out. That's basically what adjusting means. So you could record yourself saying things. You could trim the video, but this video is too short to trim. This is the volume. So the original song would be the song that I'm saying in the video, or an added song would be a song that you add to the video. So here you have the songs, the effects, if you want to add any text. The text should be self-explanatory, and the stickers. So these are all the stickers that you can add. I personally like this one. It's just a little bling bling. I just find it makes everything look better. Who doesn't like bling? So let's go to the text. So I'm gonna say hello, and then you go to here to just make it like a block. I like that. You change the handwriting here. Let's put it across there. Cool. So when you hold on this, you could edit. Oops. Right. You could edit the text, or you could set duration. So in TikTok, there's different times that the text, that anything could come up, the text or stickers that you put. So if I want this sticker, this text I mean, to play, right, to play from the beginning to about right there where I put it, this is how it will be. Right, so you see from here to here it showed, and then it stopped. So you can do that as well. So like if I wanted to put something else here, like pertaining to the crying video, like a crying sticker or something, I could do that. So I find that's a really cool trick. So here we have the effects, and you can, so these are visuals, so I can add heart bubbles to the video. I can add rain. Okay, one effect at a time. This is the back button. So this is rain. And you could also add different effects. So I could add like a halo here, stars, smog. You can add any amount. The stars are nice. Let's keep, oh, they have the hearts already. No scenes, booze. Good. So you have stickers. So this is to blur the background. It's one sticker alone you have to use though. You could use this avatar thing, which shows like more of you. Round face, make your face bigger. Particle, I don't really use that because I don't really understand it. Panda face, so we can leave that. You have a big head, a fallen head, heart fall, sorry. This is a big nose one, and it has others that you can choose as well. Let's keep the panda. So you could also mute the sound. I'll show you in a little while. So transition, la 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 la, So you could do like a slip-in effect, where you see how we did that kind of like that. Yeah, you could split it, as in make it like a collage. And you could, and with anything, you could add it to different parts of the video. So if I wanted for hair, mixed hair, like that's just how it is. This is the time. You could do things in reverse. Slow-mo. So yeah. So let's cancel. So to mute, you would go to, I really hate hearing the song over and over, like it kind of annoys me. So you go to this little drop down bar and go to volume. Oops, the song is muted. And that's how you do that. Okay, so let's say I want this song Savage, right, by Megan Thee Stallion.
So you bagged him. I'm a
Right. So to save a song, you see this little bookmark looking thingy at the right hand corner. You do that and the song will be added to your favorites. So your favorites are, so that's basically it. That's the way how to make the video. Then when you're finished with everything, you click next. You add your description. You could add hashtags. I'm a Trini, so I'll put Trini. You can see like your cover photo to whatever you want. You could allow comments, allow duet and react, save to device here. You could automatically say on your share on your socials, WhatsApp, Instagram stories, which I love, and Facebook. You could add your friends. You could also choose who views the video. So you can go on public, friends, or private. So private would be for you alone, friends would be the people who follow you, and public is anyone on TikTok. And you could do two things. You could post this to your profile. If you choose public, private, or friends only, it will be posted to those categories. If you choose public and you post it, anybody on TikTok will see it. Well, depends on a lot of different things, but yeah, post it to friends, your friends will see it. If you post it to private, nobody will see it but you until you're ready to public it, which is good, which is just kind of like YouTube in a way. So if you're not, like if you just filming a video quick and you have to go and do something, what you can do is just go to drafts and the video will be saved to the drafts, and then you can go back here later to do it. So yeah, I can show you one of my videos. Okay.
How dare you go on social media and say it's not good man when it's your blasted eyelashes blocking your vision? Chop it off and you go see. How dare you go on social media and say it's not good man when it's your blasted eyelashes blocking your vision? Chop it off and you go see.
So these are all the people that use the song. So let me show you how to show us to save a sound. So to the bottom of the screen you'll see like music symbol, that's the sound. So you click that and then you would see the bookmark saying add to favorites. You click that and that is how the sound will be added to your favorites. So you click the little plus button to follow somebody, the heart to like, comment, and the arrow facing right to share the video, and you can share it to your socials. You could react to duets, add the video as well to your favorites. So I forgot to make a video saying, so in the last clip I added a song to my favorites. So to get your favorites, which would be all the songs you added, the videos you added, anything really added, you would go to this bookmark right here and you would see all the videos you saved, all the hashtags you saved. I don't think I saved any hashtags. Oh yes, I did. All the songs you saved, and you can also save effects. So let me show you how to save the effects. Cool. This is one of my videos. So this green screen effect here, you would click it, and I already saved it to my favorites, so I'm going to unsave it. And the same way you click the song to save it, you would do the same thing. So when you see an effect on somebody's video, it would usually be in the left hand corner of the video. You click it, and then you click add to favorites, and then the effect will be added to your favorites, so later on you could use it. So you go to your favorites and you could see all the videos you saved, the songs that you would want to use, and also the effects that you could use for your video whenever you're ready. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to help any fellow people that want to do TikToks out there. I think TikTok is a great app. I love it. I'm kind of obsessed. But yo, it keeps us occupied during quarantine, and that's what we need during quarantine, to keep occupied. So keep making those TikTok videos. I hope that this video helped you learn how to create, edit, and post a TikTok video. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.